Imagine you've just received your paycheck. You're excited about the fresh funds, but also a little overwhelmed. How do you ensure you're spending wisely and saving for your goals? That's where YNAB comes in. Today, we're going to dive into one of the fundamental aspects of using YNAB, entering your income. Have you ever felt like your money just slips through your fingers? Like no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to make it last? Well, YNAB can help you take control of your finances and make every dollar count. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly review what YNAB is. YNAB is a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses and allocate your money towards your goals. It's based on the zero-based budgeting method, which means every dollar you earn is assigned a job. Finding the income category. The first step is to locate the income category in your YNAB budget. You can find this by clicking on the income category in the left sidebar. If you haven't created an income category yet, you can do so by clicking the plus button. Adding a new transaction. Once you've selected the income category, click the plus button to add a new transaction. A pop-up window will appear where you'll need to fill in some information. Filling in the details. Here are the key details you'll need to enter: *date, the date you received the income. *amount, the total amount of the income. *payee, the source of the income, e.g., your employer, a side hustle. *memo, a brief description of the income, e.g., regular paycheck, freelance project payment. Assigning a job to your income. The most important part of entering income in YNAB is assigning it a job. This means deciding where you want the money to go. You can allocate it to different categories like groceries, rent, savings, or even future goals like vacation or new car. Balancing your budget. Once you've assigned a job to your income, YNAB will automatically balance your budget. This means that your expenses will equal your income. If you have any remaining funds, you can either allocate them to a new category or save them for later. Additional tips. Categorize your income. If you have multiple sources of income, e.g., salary, side hustle, consider creating separate categories for each. Use memos effectively. Memos can help you remember where the money came from and why you allocated it to a specific category. Review your income regularly. Make sure to review your income category regularly to ensure that your budget is accurate and reflects your current financial situation. Entering income in YNAB is a simple yet crucial step in managing your finances effectively. By following these guidelines, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.